Who wants to be a millionaire? Hey everyone, welcome back to Levi's Guide to Building a $1 Million Portfolio. This is week 8 and it is a very important week. You've done a bit of back research, you've figured out what your investments have been doing. If you don't have any investments, you've been at least thinking about getting your investments going, and hopefully you've made a plan now as to how much money you're going to start investing. You've talked to your family and friends. You've found a new broker. This is the week you're going to meet up with them. It's a paperwork week. So you're going to take all of your papers that you've gathered, all of your previous statements. You've figured out which accounts you're going to close. You're going to take all of that paperwork to them, and you're going to figure out how much money you're going to transfer to your new broker and go over their fee schedule, exactly how much money they're going to make off of you. Hopefully they're doing a flat fee trading schedule, which is one of the most important things about finding a new broker. Secondly, they're going to set you up with the new accounts that you're going to have. This might be an RRSP account. This might be a TFSA account. This might be a Roth IRA account. These are the accounts that you're going to be putting your payments into in the future. So you're going to do the paperwork with them to get those new accounts set up. And you're going to set up your automatic contributions through your broker so that it's automatically coming from your bank account to your investment account on schedule. The other thing you're going to do is sit down with the broker and go over some trade ideas. Look at some of the stocks that he or she is recommending, so that you know what you're going to be purchasing and what types of companies they are, so you can have time to do a little bit of research. So you should get a list of the equities that they are proposing to you to purchase, so that you can go home and you can look up each of those companies. This is super important. I don't want you guys to blindly invest in things. I want you to look at their paperwork, look at what they're proposing, and look at the actual charts, read about the company, and actually get some information about what you're going to be purchasing. The other thing that's super important is you're going to make sure that you set up with your advisor a projected dividend payment schedule. And what this is this is a chart that is going to tell you how much you should expect to make in dividends every single month for the next at least year. Now, of course, this is all subject to change because dividends are not guaranteed, but if you're buying quality companies, the dividends should be paid on a regular payment schedule, and it is easily predictable. This way you have actual cash coming into your account from the very first purchase of equities that you make. So to recap, week 8's task is to meet up with your financial advisor, start the paperwork to get the accounts open that you require, set up the automatic transfers from your bank account to your new investment accounts, and go over the dividend payment schedule with your new broker. That's it. 3 things you're going to go over with them. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week for week 9. Let's get rich together.